bakal pakai bunyi lah, dah boleh. Aku ada bakal pakai bunyi lah. Le kau mereka. Le kalau bunyi tu, dah bakal pakai bunyi. Le baik kau dah tu. Aduh dah thơ, ni mà bakal pakai bunyi mah, boleh kita. Kalau orang bakal le. Là cua này hả đó là lơ bạc thì bò lúc tao qua lên bạc cái mình nữa và là một đó cua là bữa bên là cà bù đâu đấy chú bò ba hay ba đây là ở là chú bò à mấy bạn Em bầu mở ra đây mà Refugee ôi đâu rồi đâu có Kudawa lewat dah dah terlah. Dah lepas lah lepas. Lepas lah lah, lepas lah. Lewatnya ada dulu. Lewat apa boleh aku lah. Apa boleh ku le. Apa boleh. Apa boleh. Lewat batu bo. Batu boleh kan batu bo. Batu boleh kau batu bo, dah batu bo. Malah bakal pakai bunyi. Kalau ada boleh nak. Apa boleh? Aku ya pasti lah. Boleh. Nah. Dah suka itu kau ada. Nak kita tak mula kiri. Chúng ta muốn được subscribe cái nó like share gì đó nó pakai chị nó muốn được nó ok thì là ta lagi cho chúng tôi qua đây vậy cái lửa đu gì pha cái lửa đu rồi vào cái nho ta đu này rồi lê qua cái nhóm mua vừa cầm má ra đó bằng nhóm mua vừa đuổiพันนี้là phảiพันนี้ta đã tắt cái xả đi nóระวังได้ก็ลิ Bangnya Pucat Bang.
But you just believe there's nowhere we can fall. Let us realize that change.
คันนี้นะเว้ยว่าบอกลายก็Tinggal dunia berapa
shine on this land. I pray that love and peace are born to rule this golden land forever. Save Burma, I cried out to the world. The light of peace will shine on this land. And without turn, I'm thinking of tomorrow. Children are crying in the street. Parents weeping and weary. Sons and daughters fight for freedom. The elders only comfort and care. Save Burma, I cried out to the world. The light of peace will shine on this land. I pray that love and peace are born to rule this golden land forever. Save Burma, I cried out to the world. The light of peace will shine on this land. I pray that love and peace are born to rule this golden land forever. I pray to rule this golden land forever. I pray.
The heart cry of the children is to save their country, and it's the heart cry of every one of us with them. Our prayers go up to everyone represented in the countries that they represent, that peace would come, and that we would have a day where you could visit and go back to your countries and enjoy your families, and there would be peace in Burma, there would be peace in Afghanistan, there would be peace all over the world. That would be our prayer. Well, tonight we want to recognize the Karen tribe here. We have three lovely ladies that are going to dance, and they have a representation of their flag here in the dresses that are shown. We have the blue, the white, and the red that is representative of the... And when I was a child, my grandparents told me where I actually came from, so that I do know where I come from, but now I am in a far and different country away from my family members. When one day I reach my destiny, I'll go back to my hometown. These dress colors, like I said, represent the Karen flag, and they show it clear that all the Karen are one. They want to know the truth.
Đấy, đấy. Đấy, mày vừa vừa này. Khá lắm, khá lắm.
the upper here.
Well, thank you for coming out. We're so thankful that you're here. A couple of things. Before you go, please make sure to throw out your trash in the trash bins. Let's not leave a bunch of trash out.